Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This is your boy CJ. Sorry for the very late post. This month, February hasn't been the best month ever. First of all, I got like this very bad pain in my foot, trying to work out constantly, trying to lose as much weight as possible, stay as active as possible, and I ended up getting. I was running on the treadmill, and like I just got this real sharp pain in the arch of my feet, and I just couldn't run. Like I got it and I started like limping a little bit, but I was like, ignoring it, thinking maybe just a muscle or something. And then 5 minutes later, it was just there again. So I walked off the treadmill, and as I'm walking, exiting the gym, I just could feel it. I just started like limping, like what is this? What is this? So I ended up going to work, describing it to a few co-workers, and they told me it's something called fasciitis, where also known as the flip-flop disease, where I guess there's a tendon in your foot that gets tight from not stretching and stuff like that, or not running regularly, or you're not using it regularly. So that ended up happening. That lasted about a week and a half, so I had to continuously stretch it every day, stretching both feet so it won't just transfer from one to the next. And that kind of just had me off, I couldn't really go to the gym as much and whatnot. As I'm easing up off of that, I end up getting sick, But let's start digging into the food. That's why we all here, right? So I went and I got some, there's this Cajun spot right on, where's that, like Rouse Road and 50? A little Cajun seafood spot. So let's try it out. It's still nice and hot, that's good. Yeah, it's still hot. So it's in a little plastic bag, and that's it right there. I bought 2 corn, I bought 2 potatoes, and those little baby ones, and then I got half a pound of crab. So right there you can see the crab leg right there. But we'll dig in, and I'll take it out the bag, you get a better view. But yeah, it's about to get messy. I can smell it already. Let's see if I can give you a better view. Here you go. Crab, 2 corn, and potatoes. And there's more things you could get, boiled egg, you could get sausages. But I just kept it kind of simple. You're boy on a budget at the same time. YouTube don't pay me yet. You gotta get them subscribers up. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe down below if you like the content. Show me a little bit of love. And it's free, it's free love. And I really appreciate it. The sauce is good. So I got medium. There's mild, medium, and hot. And I got medium because I'm not a big fan of spicy food. But it's got a little kick to it. I can taste it already got a kick to it. So just boiled potatoes and Cajun sauce. You close up on that, that's the Cajun sauce right there. She gave me extra potato. I said for 2 and she gave me 3. That's nice. You know what I mean? That's my good deed right there, paying off. This is corn. I got it drowning in sauce. See the sauce just dripping in my hand. This is sweet. A nice sweet corn. She probably even got some butter in there. Real nice. Just cooked at the perfect consistency. Great. And the Cajun sauce not too salty. Good, just right. Oh man, this is good. It's like a Cajun seafood spot. Right off of Rouse Road, like near Rouse Road and 50. I gotta get the name, but if you just Google Cajun seafood, you'll see it. It's a small little shack. So good. My little cluster right here, baby cluster. This thing is so small. This thing was probably like, this thing wasn't even fully grown. They don't kill this little baby crab like that. Look how small this thing is. Come on, man. Yeah, so I'm getting sick. Back to what I was saying in the intro. I'm getting sick like a bug or something. I didn't get tested, but I believe I had like a bug, like a flu. I had flu-like symptoms. I had fever, muscle aches on the first day, but it went away. Headache, that was bad. I was just like, every day I was just like taking a bunch of Excedrin to help me out with that. What else? Like I had moments where I would feel really cold, like cold chills, and this is like the first for me because I'm usually that person that enjoy the cold. Like I enjoy my house being on 70 degrees, you know. I enjoy sleeping with the AC low, you know, like 69 max, you know, 69 my lowest, and maybe like 72. I'm not 74, like if I have the fan on or something, max. But yeah, like I couldn't like as soon as my foot got better, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get back in the gym because you know I've been trying, like we talked about how I'm just trying to lose some weight and whatnot. I got sick, man, so I couldn't go to the gym anymore. So like one to the next, you know. And then I got better like a week ago, and then the cold fronts. Like, why is Florida 30 degrees? Why is Florida 35 degrees, 34 degrees? You know what I mean? Freezing over here. So who wants to go outside in the gym? Who wants to go to the gym in that kind of weather? Not me. And I get the hardest part is just walking to the car and probably wouldn't get there and walking from the car to the gym. But that's harder than it sounds. I'm sorry. So that pushed me back even more. So I will be doing this little program called Biggest Loser or something like that. So we're basically gonna be doing a competition between ourselves to lose weight. I think it started from the 1st of February to like, I think April. I don't know if it's the end of April or the beginning of April. So we're currently gonna get everybody weighted so we can start, get the ball rolling. So that's gonna be a little bit of encouragement. Cause you know, I remember I do work at alone. I don't have a partner. I do this alone. So sometimes it's best to have someone there to motivate you on your off days. Cause you do have your days like when it got cold. You know, I had my days where I was like, nah, it's too cold. But if I had a partner who was like, it ain't even cold. You know, I would have encouraged me to get off my bed and go. So, but having this little weight loss program in work is definitely going to encourage me to go out. You know, so yeah, it's called The Biggest Loser, something like that. So you know your boy, I can't get my name dirty like that. You know what I mean? I can't be called no biggest loser. So I'm definitely going to be putting some time in the gym and getting this weight down. So I'm gonna let you know. Like what's been going on with my weight loss. So at the moment, I lost, before my foot went bad on me, I lost 10 pounds, right? Now I'm gonna focus eating this. I'm sorry, the heat got my nose running. Yeah, so before my foot went out on me, I lost 10 pounds. I was 230. Initially, I was 240. So I was so happy, excited, get my foot blow up. I was really going to the gym. And then I got sick. And that just like, it's my appetite for junk food. Like, I got sick and all I wanted to eat was a big fat burger with 2 patties on there, you know? So I just felt like I just cleaned back all the pounds I lost, you know? But surprisingly, I only put on 4 pounds, so I'm 234 at the moment. So, starting from Monday, I'm gonna start putting back on my time back into the gym. And, you know, I'm not gonna let your boys down anymore, you know what I mean? You gotta be back to action. Oh man, this thing is so good. I'm sorry for like not focusing a whole lot on the video and eating probably more. But it's just so good. I wish it was bigger. This little baby crab I'm eating right here. Crab didn't even live life yet. I need some shows to watch. Like, comment below what shows you guys are watching right now. Right now I'm watching Power. The Power book with Tariq. If you're all on that, let me know. It's going real good right now. The final episode is this weekend, for Sunday. But I kind of like watch it. I'm so excited for it. I watched it Saturday night. Going there like I watch Stars. They release their shows, unlike HBO, they release their shows exactly the day of. It could be that day at, you know, technically in 24 hours, it will be 0001. hour, the first minute of the day, the show is released. As long as the day of, they release it instantly. So it'll be like midnight, the night before, you know. So it comes on a Sunday. So as soon as it's Saturday at midnight and it rolls over into Sunday, I'm watching it. And it's so good. You know, you need to watch it. And I hope for the ones that are watching it, what you think gonna happen? If you haven't watched it yet, you might want to click over there. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it. I don't want to spoil it for you. What you think gonna happen? What you think? You think? What you think Effie did with Lauren? Tell me below what you think. I don't think she killed her. Because there's two clues that states that she did kill her. First clue was she was in the dream he had, the little nightmare about all the folks that he did kill. But there was a clue that she wasn't in the room. She told her, don't come in here. She was just standing at the door. And then the second clue is besides the second one, we're taking 3 clues now. The second one is we never saw the death on camera. We never saw the death on film. She just took her, went back in the car, and she drove off. And then the next clue that, what are we talking about? Not kill her or killed her? But whatever. The next clue that she wouldn't have killed her is that why she's too smart for that. Because she does kill her, that's something Tariq would never be able to forgive her for, because he still cares about her. He still loves her. Like, they just broke up, you know what I mean? And like, yeah, he's upset at her for doing what she did, but he understood because she was manipulated by Carrie into doing what she did, you know what I mean? So he understands that she didn't do this to frame him. She did this thinking she was framing Brandon, or like trying to protect him or save him from going down in the same trouble that Braden would have went down in if he was the one, you know, responsible. So I feel like she's too smart to kill him for that, because she does like him. I don't know how true the love is, because you know how it is in the game. You can't trust nobody. But she does care about him, and I feel like she knows if she kill her, she won't be able to get Tariq. So I feel like that she's smarter than that. So she's gonna. I feel like she did exactly what Braden was about to do: give her the money and tell her catch the bus. I feel like she did exactly that, because she did keep the money with her when she went into the car. So I feel like she did exactly that. But I can't wait. I can't wait for Sunday to roll around. Like, it's gonna be a sweet and sour moment, because it's like, you got to see what's next, but then the show's over. So they stated that they were done filming season 3. So I don't know if it's going to come out in a year from now. But I'm also thinking that they might just drop it right after Tommy season's finish. Because why have it done now and not use it till a whole 12 months from now? You understand? So I feel like they might drop it right after Tommy ends. Or shortly after. How y'all feel about that one? Y'all excited for Tommy? Oh, also, back to what I was saying. Like, let me know what shows you guys are watching. Let's drop in the comment section below what you guys are watching, because I wanna, I'm interested. I wanna add some stuff to my watch list. Yeah, man, this thing is good. Like, it ain't like homemade good, but it's really, really good for, just for a restaurant. And I judge tough because I like my food seasoned, properly well seasoned. So I'm judging this tough. You see how I make my curry crab? Probably well seasoned. It's good. My nose running from the heat, so I'm sorry for wiping my nose. But I think that's more civilized to wipe it than try running down my face into my mouth. I don't want to be eating that. Somebody in the comment section already told me I'd be eating my bed. I don't want to add to the list. I might get all the meat out. I'm saving this this piece of corn. It was so good, so I try to save it. But I just keep looking at it. I'm like, homie, I might not be able to make it till the end. I might have to dig into it. I'm trying to not be too messy. Well, I'm meat. It's good. It's good. And then what's the name of that other place in Orlando? Hot and Juicy. It ain't hot and juicy good, but it's still good. Y'all go check it out. I did it was so kind. Like, I went there with no one inside. She was like, it'll be like 15 minutes. So I went, I'll tell you, it came up to like $28. So I went there and paid her. And of course, I got a tip on the receipt. The receipt has like an option to tip. So I'm like, okay, I'll give you $1. So I gave her $1 tip. I'm in the parking lot talking on the phone, and she comes out the store with my food. And we're done. How sweet is that? It was tasty. And there's no it's not just cayenne pepper and water, you know what I mean? It's like there's other seasoning in here. There's other flavors and spices in here. That's good. should have showed you guys how much meat that was. Yeah, probably gonna call me a fat ass. Cause I'm here just running through the food. Right there. I definitely need to go back and get some more crab. It was good. Alright, we're on the last piece. Last piece, and I saved the cloth for last. This is like probably the biggest piece. Good. Do I have anyone else that's watching that's trying to lose weight as well? You know, comment below, like, what are you initially? I'm 240 initially. Today I'm at 234. So I'm at a 6-pound decrease. No, not very, very good. But I do plan on getting back to par, you know, get back where I'm supposed to be. I should at least be in the 220s by now. At least probably 225. Got a few setbacks. So comment below, like, your initial weight and where you want to be. What's your goal? My goal, I want to say like 199. Like between 195 and probably 200. That's my goal. You know, nothing too extreme. If I could lose like another 34 pounds, that'd be good. Yeah, so let me see who else is out there with me, you know? We can do this together. You're definitely not alone. I'm right here. I'm fat too. I ain't saying you are too, but I am. Definitely trying to lose 34 pounds at least. You know, some people wonder how I do this with my teeth. But it's like, no pressure. I guess I got really hard teeth. I got that before. Like, are you not using the nut? That food was so good. I'm so sorry. I don't know when the camera shut off. There's a 15-minute limit. I do need to find out how to turn that off. The thing with my camera, my menu button doesn't work. My menu doesn't work. So if I have to do any settings in the menu, it's really, really tough for me. I do have to try and get a new camera soon. But I don't know, I'm sorry for that. But the food was really, really good. Definitely go try it out. It's right near Dean and Rouse. It's like in a park, is in the plaza where the bowling alley, I think there's a KFC on the right, a bowling alley, a Bravo, and across from there it has like Aldi, DD discount, on Colonial heading east. If you go to if you reach the Walmart, you went too far. It's like between the Walmart and Dean Street. Remember, don't go to there's a Cajun spot west of Dean, going towards Orlando, downtown Orlando. West of Dean and Colonial, don't go to that one. That one is terrible. I don't know what they're serving people, but it's not as good as this. Go to that spot, try the food out. It's really, really good. You know, if you do, comment below. Let me know what you think. But I definitely give this one of the best seafood spots I've had, besides Hot and Juicy. This thing is good. The medium is a little hot. So if you can't handle it, go with the mild. But if you could take a little spice, not too much, go with medium. And if you're just a top dog, go spicy. But right now my lips burning, my nose running, as you could see. I'm ready to put my head under some water, put my head under the faucet. But thanks for checking in. Again, I do apologize for the late post. But I'm gonna try to do at least a couple videos a week. Next week I'll be doing some wings. We just sit down, chat, eat some wings, and I'll just rate them for you. But this right here, I give this like a solid 8.5. It was really good for the price. You know, it was $28 for everything I had. I asked for 2 potatoes, 2 corn, and a half a pound of crab. I actually got 3 potatoes instead, so I don't know if she billed me for that, but I asked for 2 of each. Half a pound of crab. It was really good. They got shrimp. They got the whole shebang. I do want to try the shrimp next time. Let me know if you try the shrimp. Let me know how it is. Let me know if I should check it out. But and don't forget, stay tuned for that next power episode. Let's see what's going on. It's about to be the finale, so it should be really good. A lot of action, a lot of hype. So let's go. Let's see what is it about. Don't miss it, because next week I'll definitely be talking about it. So enjoy the rest of your day, beautiful people, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.